Welcome back, guys, to another one. This is the Money Mindset channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how much passive income I earn. I'm going to take you exactly to what pays me passive income right now, and it is how much my portfolio makes me each and every single month, and by the year, and by the companies. So we're just going to go to the laptop, and I'm going to pull up my Numbers app on my Apple computer. And guys, you don't have to have an Apple computer to have the dividend tracker. I'm working on, creating a video that shows you how to do it on Google Sheets, and Google Sheets, anybody can use it. So let's get into my portfolio. Now over here on the left, I have all my companies that I own, and I will be in a process of reevaluating all the companies that I did invest into so that, it meets my standards as a dividend growth investing portfolio. But we have all these alphabetically ordered, which is nice. Everything is sleek, and I just like the colors basic, gray, and white. Ticker symbols, shares, amount of shares. Now you guys can see that I have 22.65 shares, which is kind of weird, I know, because it's like, what is 0.65% of a share? It's like, that's not even a full share. And that's true. It's because now Robinhood offers fractional investing. So if the cost of one share is $38.38, and I only have $20 this week to spend on AT&T, I can put $20 into that stock. Even though I can't fully afford it, it will give me a fraction of a share. So just thought I'd get that out there because I do have a couple more stocks that I am fractionally investing into. But as you can see, we have the cost basis, market value, gain or loss. So obviously my portfolio has been getting hit. Now this is the important thing right here that I want to talk about. It is the annual dividend. Now you can go to dividend.com. I have it in my description, and any stock that you think has a dividend, type it in, search it up, and they'll give you all the metrics and all the details about how it pays it out, how much it pays, what's the percentage. It gives you all that different types of stuff. I think I have a video in one of my previous videos that talk about this stuff and goes over dividend.com. So check that out if you haven't already. But let's just use this one for example. I'm just gonna freeze header rows. Freeze header columns. Bring it over, and then the annual dividend for Apple Hospitality. So one share for a total cost, I think it's about $15 right now to own one share of Apple Hospitality. They pay $1.20 for that one share all year. So annual means every year they pay this full amount of dividends. Now, this is the yield percent. So you would divide, I think, this number by the share price, and then you would get the dividend yield. So 7% is pretty high for a dividend yield. More common ones are like a 4%, maybe a 3%, sometimes a 5%. Those are like most common. And then I own 10 shares. So you would then times 10 times the 120, because I have 10 shares and they pay for each share $1.20. I have an annual income of $12, and they pay monthly. So you divide monthly divided by 12. So 12 divided by 12 equals $1. I get $1 a month from this company until they change the numbers and stuff like that. But as of right now, I get $1 a month. I could go get, a value fries. I can get a double cheeseburger from McDonald's every month. So I'm straight with that. If anything, if I ever go homeless, I have $1 a month that I could eat off of, which is nice. But I don't think I'll be going homeless anytime soon. AT&T right here, and then if you do that all the way down, do the math, and then it comes out to all these different numbers. As you can see, I'm getting $12 here, $47 here, $55 here, $29 here, $3.52 here, $14, $50, $43. Let's keep on going down. $7, $23, $33, $7, $8, $17, and then $1.64, and then we come down to my total for all all my companies and all the shares that I own, and that pays me $415.33. So if you divide that by 12, it should be around $30, a little bit higher than $30 a month. I think $40 now probably, but can't do the math off the top of my head. I'm not that smart. But as you can see, guys, creating passive income is not that hard either. You don't have to be this whiz kid, and you don't have to, think you're the smartest guy in the world or smartest gal in the world and think that you can't make passive income. So that is just what I earn every year on my investment of $8,000. Now that's a 5%. So if you put $8,000 into a high yield savings account, yes, your money doesn't move up and down, but your money only gets usually around 2% or a little bit under 2%. So if I were to put $10,000, right, into a high yield savings account, I'm only going to get like $170 back. But if I put $10,000 into my portfolio, then I'm going to be getting around $516 back. You see how that works, guys? So the yield, total yield, the average yield is like what I get back on my money, which is $415 in this case. So I'm glad you guys, tuned in and watched up until this point. If you have already, kudos to you. Thank you guys so much. I know who you guys are, so comment down below so I could talk to you. If you have any questions, holla at me. I'm here all the time. Always got my laptop with me, so ask any questions, have any, just write any comments. So thank you guys. Remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.